Hello, good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how rocks are formed. Remember that rocks can be formed as sediments or small pieces of rocks through weathering and erosion and magma. When you say weathering, it is a process of breaking down rocks into smaller pieces. And when you say erosion, it is a process whereby rocks are broken down and carried away by running water, glaciers, waves, or wind. And magma is a liquid rock found deep below the Earth's surface. Now, we are going to do an experiment for me to explain to you how rock cycles are formed. You have to prepare a pillar. Okay, the pillar for your fruits. Using the crayons, will be your rocks. And a foil. And we have the pan and a stove. Let's start. So first step, let's say this color is your rock. Let's start with igneous rock. Through weathering and erosion, we form sediments. Using your pillar, use like this. Okay, slowly. Okay, slowly do like this. Okay, separate, at least use two colors if you like. Okay, so here. So for example, I already did these two. Okay, these are my igneous rocks. Or we call this process sediments. Remember that sediments are small rocks. Okay? From sediments, we have this process called sedimentation. Okay? When you say sedimentation, it is the compaction and the cementation of rocks. So what we are going to do is we are going to put the sediments here. Okay? I will show you. Slowly put your sediments, okay, here. Let's separate first the colors. Okay. Okay. If you feel that it's a little, if this is still a little here, you can see this one here, like this, okay. Slowly, okay, slowly close this to this, okay, and put pressure, okay, put pressure. You can use your pan for at least 1 minute to put pressure on your rock. Now, if you could see, this is your sedimentary rock. Okay. Now that we already formed your sedimentary rocks, let us turn the pan on into low heat. Okay. So from sedimentary rock that we form, we are going to put this one here. On the pan, you could see, let's just melt it a little. Okay. Just a little heat. Okay. So this is now your, let it cool a little down. Okay. From heat and pressure, we form metamorphic rock. Okay, we form a metamorphic rock. Now, we are going to turn this metamorphic rock into magma. Melt this one, let it to liquid, make it a liquid, turn it into liquid. Okay. So, using a toothpick, this one. So, we now have a magma. Okay. This is our magma now. And we are going to put it here. And let's put here to cool it down. Let's put it here. Okay. Put it here. It's already, by cooling it down, okay, by cooling it down, we are going to form an igneous rock. And if you can see it here, this is our igneous rock. This was your igneous rock, right? Remember? This was your igneous rock, and we turned this rock into sediments. Now, this is your igneous rock again. Okay, by cooling it down, it became an igneous rock. It formed the same like this again. Okay, children, so I hope you enjoyed the experiment for today. Remember that the rocks are being formed through the sediments, or it's by weathering or erosion, or by melting it through magma. That's why we have these rocks. It's just like a cycle. Okay, that's it for today. Goodbye!